Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. For a long time, I've been trying to figure out the advantage of the Segment Dimension Tool versus the Parallel Dimension Tool. And both these are underneath your flyout of your Parallel Dimension Tool. I use this all the time to measure parts that I'm making. And you can see right there it is 24.67 inches. The advantage of this, the advantage of the segment delete or dimension tool is it goes off nodes, because you could actually go here at an angle, and if you didn't know you're at an angle, it's a little bit, now it's a little bit bigger because it's a little bit longer. You know, straight line is shorter. So when you get your segment delete tool or dimension tool, you just grab those two nodes and it tells you the exact dimension. You can't be off. See, it's 24.67, because in the fact that if you had your parallel dimension tool and you did do a straight line with the control key, you say it says it on the edge, but if you happen to go too far, you're going to be off. We did it right again. It's 27 or 24.67. But the other thing that's really nice about the segment dimension tool is that it's going to give you more measurements. Let me just get rid of these lines real quick. Let's zoom in here a little bit. I want to measure all these cuts. So get your segment dimension tool, and right up here, automatically successive dimensions. And then just grab all these parts, and it's going to give you measurements for each opening, each gap. See, like this part's 1.64, that opening is 22 or 3.22. This one is 5.44. So you can measure a lot of things at one time, and it gives you the total measurement of 24.67. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.